Hello everyone, myself Chandramohan Singh. I'm gonna teach you how to open a paint or how to work on a paint. Okay, so let me start the paint. To start a paint in your computer, what you have to do, you just write down paint, P-A-I-N-T, in the search box and then click on the paint icon. Now, once you do that, your paint software will be open. So this is the interface of a MS Paint. In this video, I'm gonna explain you each part of this MS Paint. So the topmost area of the paint where I am dragging my mouse, that is known as header portion, and just below the header portion, these two tabs are known as menus, and this whole area is known as menu area. Okay, now come to the below one. This place of the MS Paint is known as ribbon. Okay, now just below that we have the white space area, that is known as sheet, where we can work. Okay, so let me start the work on a paint. So we will start doing or making a paint with the help of brush tool. We have lot of tool in the MS Paint and they help us to draw a picture in paint. So I first use this brush tool to draw something on a paint. So once you click on the brush drop down button, there is a lot of brush. You can choose any one which you like. So by default, this first brush tool has been selected. So what is the use of this brush tool? You just use the mouse in your computer to drag your pointer in the paint area. And how you draw something, just right click from your mouse and drag your mouse in the desired place through which you can get the desired shape or drawing which you want to make. So right now I have made this oval shape with the help of mouse. Okay, you can take, you can also increase the border of this this line, this shape. Okay, so how to increase the size of your brush? Just click on this size button. You can get the different size. Choose any size which you like if suppose you want to increase the size of your brush, then you just choose the 5 pixel. Now again I am going to draw something. Now you can see the difference between both has been has different. The size of each brush is different, so you can use it according to your work. Okay, now next is, if suppose you want any other brush like this calligrapher. Okay, now if I use this brush and use another size like this first one, then see what will be the result of that when I draw something. See, it will show us the brush design has given another or different output. Okay, now this is the use of calligrapher brush. Okay, one of the most important thing, that is you can change the color of your brush from this color area. Okay, how to change it? Just click on the brush. Okay, click on the color. Now see, the color has been selected. Okay, now see, when I am going to draw something, now the color of the brush has been different. Okay, you can use another brush. There are so many brushes. Okay, like if suppose you want to spray something, then you can use airbrush. Okay, now see, what is the use of this airbrush? See, it work like this. It is spraying, it spray the part, it spray the area where you are dragging your mouse. Fine, you can increase or decrease the spray area of this brush tool. How? For this you just press the control or plus key from your keyboard to increase the size. So here I am going to show you how to use it. So I am just using this KEY keyboard, on screen keyboard on my computer, to show you what key we are going to press to increase the size of a brush. So right now I am pressing the control key from my keyboard, and now I just to click on the plus icon to increase the size of a brush spray. Okay, fine. So now I have chosen the under size. Let me show you the shape or the area of the brush has been changed. Now again, see, now this is the difference between when you press now I have pressed the plus button with by using the combination of control key. It has show you the different result. Okay, now come to the another tool. There are so many tools except the brush. We have the pencil tool also. With the help of pencil tool we can draw something like this. You can also increase the size of your pencil according to your need. Okay, fine. Now come to the below. We have the eraser also. You can use the eraser but tool because it help you to erase a part of your drawing. Like you want to delete this area, this place from your computer, from your drawing. So what you will do, you will use this erase tool to erase the area or erase some part of your picture. So how to erase this? Same, just press the right click from your mouse and drag the area which you don't like. Okay, here is the one problem, that is it is so much small. If you want to make it large, you can apply the same formula or same step. Just press the control and plus from your keyboard. It the size of your brush eraser will be changed. Okay, see, fine. If suppose you want to make it small, just press the control and minus from your keyboard. It will become small. Fine. Now come to the another tool. We have few more tools like this fill with color. It help you to fill the area of your picture. So to use this tool, just click on this tool, and now the color, this color has been selected. If you want to change the color, what you will do, just click on your desired color. Like here I want green color. So select the green color. Now your green color is selected. Just fill the green color in the area where you want to fill. So here I want to fill. Okay, now, how to fill this? Just go to the place where you want to fill the color and just once click on that area. By doing this, the area will be colored or filled by that color. Fine. Now, next tool is the text tool. What is the use of this text tool? It is used if suppose in a drawing you want to type something or you want to write something, then you can use this tool. So to use this tool you have to click on that and go to the area, go to the part of your drawing where you want to write something. So I want to write something on the top. So here I click. Once I click on that area, there is a one box has been displayed on the top. What you will do, you just write down the thing which you want to write. So here I want to write welcome. Okay, so here it is written welcome. If you want to make changes in your whatever you have written, if suppose you want to change something, if suppose you want to change the color of it, what you will do, just select this with the help of mouse or keyboard and change the color of it with the help of color tool. Okay, now I want blue color on this, and even I also want to change the design or style of that. So if suppose I want different font style, like I want this style on my, so you can see here, once I select the font family from this drop down box, the color has been style has been applied on my text. If suppose you want to increase the size of your text, what you will do, just click on this drop down. Now the size of this has been, you just select the size of your text from this drop down and click on it. Once you click on this, the size of your text will be changed. If suppose it is not visible, you just drag the this dot or above dot and drag it to the place. Once it will be show, you just leave it. Okay, now I will also show you that if suppose you want to apply some more style, like if suppose you want to apply the bold on your text, what you will do, just click on this B icon, the text will become quite dark. Okay, if suppose you want to apply the underline on your text, what you will do, just click on the underline. Okay, and you can also change the color of your font, like in the box, if suppose there is no color, or if suppose you want the color which is not given in this box, then what you will do, you just click on this edit color. It will show you the color box like this. You can make your own color from by dragging the pointer in this box. If suppose I want the aqua color, okay, green aqua color, then I just drag my mouse from the green aqua color, and you can increase or decrease the color darkness or lightness from this arrow. And then once you have done, just click on the OK button, and now you can see here your color has been selected in this box, and your color is also applied in on this box. Okay, so this is how you can type something in your drawing. Okay, come to the home area. Now we have some more tools like shapes and magnifier, color picker. So you can, what is the use of these tools? Basically, magnifier tool is used to see something in a zoom. If suppose you want to see something large, then what you will do, just click on the magnifier and drag the area which you want. If suppose you want to see this welcome in a large, then what you will do, just click on this welcome, it will become large. Okay, click on the area which you want to see large, this will become large. Okay, now if you want to go on your original position or original shape, what you will do, just click on the minus button, it will become, it will go on its original form. Fine, so this is how, and this is the use of magnifier tool. Okay, the next tool is color picker. If suppose you want to pick the color which is not given in this box, and you are not able to make that color, what you will do, just click on the color pick tool and choose the color by clicking on the area. So I want this green color, so just click on it, your green color is selected here. Now you can apply that green anywhere in your drawing. Fine, so this is all about these tools. Okay, now come to the shape tool. If suppose you want to make some shape, then here some shapes are given. You just click on that shape and go to the place where you want to use that shape. Now drag your mouse, that shape will become apply on your drawing. So this is all about the uses of MS Paint. In the next video, I'm gonna explain you some more tools of MS Paint. So if you like this video, please subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching this video.